Hello everyone, back again with another video. I've seen this one show up in the Assetto Corsa group that I'm in, and I was way too excited, and I thought, right, I have to do a video on this like now. So give it a few seconds, see if there's any settings, vintage tires, radials. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna check the fuel gauge this time. Tell you that much. It works. That is awesome. Let's go for 50. Yeah, 60 liters. I think probably a good shout. Yeah. So this is an Oldsmobile 442. I just need to adjust my seat. He did say in the video something about seat position. I think maybe. Oh. Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah. So this is the Oldsmobile 442. It's the Hurst edition. Hurst did shifters for like drag racers back in the 60s and 70s, and if you had a Hurst shifter, you were King Dick. You were king of the castle with a chair. So let's get a wee outside shot of it here. You can actually see what it is I'm talking about. There. Yes. So if it looks familiar, if you're a Grand Theft Auto player, it's the Sabre Turbo, or just the Sabre in the older trilogy. So, oh, I'm excited. Right, let's go. Let's just do it. I'll put a link to the guy who made the mod. It is taken from Forza, but he's prettied it up and did quite a few changes to it. And I've literally just got into it for the first time already. It looks fan-fucking-tastic. Oh, look at the way the lights fade in and out instead of just popping on. Oh, I know I get overly excited about the simple things, but those lights are way better than what were on that Porsche that I drove. So they actually fade in and out, and the background doesn't just light up, it's the actual light letters that light up. That's how you do lights. That's awesome. Right, let's get going. Oh. So this is the inside. It's got headrests, which is probably standard for one with bucket seats, I guess. What is cool about it is that it has the interior light in the middle. This is a very Japanese thing. Things like Subarus and stuff have it there. But that doesn't. What is a Hurst shifter? It says Hurst on it. That's so cool. Right, let's go. Brakes leave a bit to be desired. Yeah, those bricks are really shite, frankly. That's nothing to do with the mod, that's just the car. Oh, awesome. Oh, it's only a 3-speed? Oh. I should have seen that, actually. Actually handles really well, but it still doesn't stop. Shit. Oh. Not very tail happy. You can kind of force it, but it doesn't want it, like. You can tell it's originally made for drag racing because once you hit third, it's cruising. Like there's no give. Oh, nice. That's full brakes and there's just nothing. You know what they say about brakes though? They only hold you back. It is quick. Like, if that speedo is accurate, which looking at the speed, I don't know if it is. It doesn't feel this fast. But according to that, doing 105, like. Doesn't feel like 105. Those are the seatbelts. I think they are. The fuck? If anybody knows what the hell that's about, feel free to comment and let me know, because I'm genuinely curious. I haven't seen that in many other muscle cars. Or maybe I have, but I've just never noticed. Both are totally possible. Carousel now, and I got over half a tank, so I'm actually going to make it in this one. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I got a bit cocky there, didn't I? Oh well. Once he starts to go, there's not really any getting her back. That's definitely the seatbelt. Oh. I meant to go into the pit. Oh well. So yeah, that's the Oldsmobile 442, and I have to say it's a fantastic mod. It really is. Look at the quality of that. This is how a turn 10 rip should be done. 10 out of 10, definitely. Oh, hello. Okay. The textures are fantastic. I mean, look at that wood grain. Because often you see wood grain, and to be honest, that looks like shite, but that's peachy. I like that. Give me the outside view again. Can't see my keyboard right now because I'm in the VR. Yeah, no. You can see me nodding my head in approval. That's yeah, that's an awesome mod. 10 out of 10. Go check out the guy's Facebook page who's uploaded it. No, it doesn't want to do that, does it? Oh, it does. Awesome. Nah, not really. Okay. Yeah, go and check out his Facebook. Give him a like, and hopefully he keeps making more of these because this is awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you want to give it a like or share or do the thing that other YouTubers do, that would be awesome. So yeah, I'll catch you at the next one.